Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up LastPass Vault on mobile with secure sharing, full guide step by step clearly. Open the LastPass app on your mobile device. Log into your LastPass account using your master password. Once logged in, you will be directed to your vault. To add a new item, tap the plus sign or add button, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Select the type of item you want to add, such as a password, secure note, or credit card. Fill in the required details for the item you are adding. Once you've entered all necessary information, tap Save to add it to your vault. To share an item securely, navigate to the item you want to share in your vault. Open the item and look for the Share or Send option. Tap on the Share button to initiate the sharing process. You will be prompted to enter the email address of the person you wish to share with. Make sure the recipient has a LastPass account, as they need one to access the shared item. You can customize the permissions for the shared item by choosing options like Can View or Can Edit. The recipient will receive an email notification about the shared item. They can access it by logging into their LastPass account. To manage shared items later, go to the Shared section in your vault. Here, you can modify permissions or revoke access as needed. Remember to regularly review shared items to ensure security. That's how to set up your LastPass Vault on mobile with secure sharing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.